Tired of payment processing headaches turning your dream app into a coding nightmare? Then let's dive into why Stripe's API is a game changer, simplifying online payments for developers and businesses just like yours. First off, flexibility is key. Stripe's API lets you build a completely customized checkout experience that perfectly matches your brand. Forget clunky, once-as-effortful solutions. With Stripe, you're in control. And speaking of control, Stripe's extensive documentation is a developer's best friend. Need to integrate a new payment method? Want to customize your reporting? Stripe's clear, well-organized docs have got you covered, making integration a breeze. Now, let's talk security. Stripe takes security seriously, handling sensitive data with top-notch encryption and ensuring PCI compliance. This means you can focus on building your business, knowing that your customers' payment information is safe and sound. Finally, Stripe plays well with everyone. Whether you're building a website with WordPress, a mobile app with React Native, or a complex e-commerce platform, Stripe's API integrates seamlessly with a wide range of platforms and frameworks. So, ditch the payment processing stress and embrace the power of Stripe's API. Its flexibility, comprehensive documentation, robust security, and ease of integration make it a top choice for developers and businesses alike, unlocking new opportunities and revenue streams. Ready to learn more? Check out the links in the description below, and don't forget to subscribe for more developer FAQs, tips and tricks.